EACC oyango ni osechako nono kata timo nonro ewi ripode mayango ni ndiko mar jotije moko ma Siaya gi board mandiko ji e kaunti no notime yore mibadhi mag asoya. Manager mar EACC bade ma imbo mar Kenya Abraham Kemboi wacho ni nonro dhi yango adieri ewi weche mawachore ni nitie jotije mane ochiwo asoya eka nondik gi tich to bang'e nyocha ochung gi tich kiwacho ni gin jotije ma nyawawa.
I know most of these young men have lost money. They are also fearing that once they come forward to report any form of bribery, they may also be taken to account, knowing very well that the giver and the taker are equal before the law. But I want to assure them that in this scenario, we are likely to consider that the person of the County Public Service Board who occasioned this scandal is the one to bear the greatest responsibility. So we want to request those young men and women, gentlemen and the ladies, not to fear that if they report any form of corruption, if they report that they gave out money to anyone, we will also sanction them. The law is such a way that they can be considered to help the investigation so that we nail the perpetrators properly.
Tendarita oyango ni nitiere chenro mar miyo ruodhi ma pacho ka bonde mondo mi okonygi e jiwo chenro mag arita